In this video, we will discuss enjoy Pothos care, propagation, growing uniquely, and few tips. Hello everyone, welcome to plantsonlens. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe now for more such videos. If you're wondering why there are two plants in the same pot, I just kept few seeds of grapes in this pot but did not know that seeds would germinate. Fortunately, it's growing good. But at this time, I don't want to repot. Without disturbing root of grape and money plant, I want to give space to grow. So I'm chopping off money plant which are grown lengthy. Let's talk about this plant. Most people identify this plant as pothos. Doesn't matter you call it pothos or money plant. Generally money plant will have green or yellow color, but this one variegated with green and white. So this appearance makes it unique and special. Looks like this pot got some space for money plant and grapes plant. These are cuttings of enjoy pothos, or you call it money plant. You can see pot, it has plenty of drainage holes. For soil mix, I have taken the same soil which I use for other indoor plants. I want to grow all these cuttings in same pot, so multiplying with many cuttings now. If you want, you can cut near every node. I'm gonna take bunch of cuttings and plant them. Likewise, I made 3 bunch of cuttings and planted. Here I have taken mixture of soil. If you want, you can grow this plant only in coco pit. In coco pit, the plant will grow faster. I'm growing this pot bushier, so I'm using all the cuttings in same pot. This plant requires bright indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can make enjoy pothos leaves turn brown. Since it is a new pot, water thoroughly. Once roots are settled, this plant requires water only 1 inch of topsoil is dry. Watering tips. Check the soil if 1 inch of topsoil is dry, and plant also gives you an indication that she is thirsty by becoming dull. That's all for today. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.